here we have today we are dealing with a Samsung A42, and as you can see, the screen is broken and the phone is not coming on. So we have to fix this, and we have to make this look brand new. As you can see, I'll lead you to the process of repairing this, complete restoration, and let's. As the first thing, please subscribe to the channel, follow for more tips and repairs in my process of repair. Well, using this way, together with this, everything from there, take everything from here, and place it here. So we can from here to here, and just like this. You can see everything's transfer over here. Finish up the left thing to do. So this is the O case, broken one. Yep. As you can see, everything's already transferred. Yeah. Okay, guys, share and subscribe and wait for part 2.